Hello everybody. I have a really good news about navigation mesh for train. Now it's work and it baked the navigation mesh around the player or around whatever you want. Also it take in account the grass with collision. So how does that work? Basically you need to add M navigation region as the child of the train. This node inherit from the navigation region and it also has the capability to bake the nav mesh on runtime for train and its grass with collision. As you can see, as I run the game, the NPC will avoid trees and find the best path to follow the player. And the interesting thing is that this nav mesh is baked during the runtime. Wherever in map we go, the nav mesh around the player will be created. You can also set up to what radius nav mesh should be generated. But if we set a large radius or we generate a very large nav mesh, pathfinding for nav agent will be a little bit process heavy. But the optimization for this should come from Godot. I think by using thread for navigation agent in Godot core, they can increase its performance a lot and prevent game freeze at some point because of the navigation path calculation. The train baking nav mesh use thread and there will be no game freeze for that. So train do its job well. But anyway, if you bake not a big nav mesh, also you increase the cell size for navigation server in the project setting, there will be no problem and it will work fine. So there is another handy tool for train navigation mesh baking. You can exclude some part of the map so the navigation mesh will not create for that part. Like this part. You can see as I move, the navigation mesh will rebake for different part of the train. And that part will remain always empty. So why we need this? This is really useful when you have a castle or house inside your train and you want to have a local navigation mesh for that. Like this navigation mesh. You can see Godot navigation server automatically make a bridge for that. And as I move to that local navigation mesh, player still follow me. This still need more work and I am working on that. Also at the time of this video, I did not update GitHub. So if you have any idea and you think it is good to add something else to this system, please write me a comment. And have a good time until the next video. Bye.